Hello and welcome back to FEM Design video lessons. In this video, you will learn how to correct your imported IFC model to working FEM model. What I have done here already is that I have added axes to my FEM model, and I also have added stories to my FEM model. This will help me when correcting my model. Let's start by checking the common errors with IFC models when you try to use them as a FEM model. For example, here I have some plain plates here that are not connecting to each other in a correct way. I also have this plain wall and plain wall that are not connecting to each other in a correct way. For these, my axes will be useful because I can use them as the fixed lines that I will stretch these planes together, and when I need to stretch planes or move these planes to walls, I can use stories. Other common errors we have is small areas in our FEM model that are not actually going to be in our analysis. Like here, we have this window opening here, but we don't actually need to calculate and to design for this part. So we would like to erase this or all of these in one function. Other mistakes or errors we have is like this small area in this wall here that we would like to fix for all of these walls here. So let's start fixing our model. We can start the fix with adjust analytical model function. Here you have multiple tools. We are going to use mostly align any object to and stories or axes. For this reason, I have modeled these stories and axes. We also are going to use fit any object to and stories and axes. Let's start by using this and selecting our model. Now we will have this information window here saying what objects were selected and how many objects were modified. We can go a little bit closer to check what this function does and press Ctrl Z to undo that. And now I can simply use the same function for these only. And now I can see that the FEM design will correct that error automatically. Once again, I select all like this. Now I'm gonna align objects to my axes. I can see that there was no errors, so every object there was already in an axis. Now I'm just gonna use fit any object and to stories. Here I can see that every object was a little bit off from stories, and that means these plain walls here. And now I can zoom in to check out that now these have been corrected too. Now I'm gonna do the same for plain plates. And I can already start seeing that all my planes are starting to connect to each other in a correct way. Now we are going to change the tool for these small areas that we are going to fix. Now we are using correct model function. With this, you just first select the parts you want to correct, or in my case, I'm just gonna select the whole model. In here, you have multiple options to correcting your model, but I'm gonna use this fix small areas and lines. I'm gonna select this here, and I'm gonna set the tolerance to be 0.3 meters here. And by selecting start, the software will start to find these small areas, and it's gonna show me what is it's gonna be correcting. And here I can mark them, I can fix them all, I can simply mark all or fix all. I'm gonna use fix all for this. With the green color, you can actually see that for these plain walls, the part that it's been marked with green, it's the part that is gonna be left in here. And if you see the red color, it means that it's gonna erase all of these because the tolerance for every part of this wall is under 0.3 meters. And by pressing apply and OK, I can see that everything has been fixed in my model. Of course, after this, I highly recommend that you will check the model once again by hand for all the lines that you will have here and all the stories, so you will be certain that there is no critical errors in your model. Okay, once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.